Hello and welcome to my page. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product unboxings and openings. Today I'll be unboxing this amazing white peplum dress. First and foremost, let's just talk about that collar. Super cute. I would say not super duper professional. I would say it's almost like costume-esque. The whole outfit in general has like a professional look to it, but like I guess maybe because it's like such stark colors, and you can choose what color you want. Maybe it's a little costumey, especially because it doesn't translate to the back. It's party in the front, nothing in the back. And I like that the peplum is long. Usually you don't have such a long peplum, so that's gonna be quite interesting to see what that looks like. I do wish that it did continue all the way to the back as well, especially this waistline, just so that it looks more cohesive, but we'll see what it looks like. There's a little slit back here, and it's quite a long dress, so probably maybe a little bit past the knees. Let's see what it looks like on. Love how it feels. It hugs perfectly. The fabric is really nice and soft. This little collar is super, super cute. A little bit above the waistline, so it's like semi empire waist, semi natural waist. This is long enough, it kind of compensates for that look. Literally just two flaps, the end right there. Yeah, I really did wish that this continued, but you know, it is what it is. I would probably wear it to a conference, to be honest, but it's definitely not for everyone. I love sleeves that hang right here. You know, it's not too long, not too short, because usually at conferences or just, you know, professional settings, the aircon is like blasting. So definitely want something a little bit longer. This is what the back looks like, just white all the way down. The pencil skirt hits right above the knee with a slit for mobility as usual. When you're sitting down at the conference, oh, it like opens up or, you know, you can, yeah, it's fine. It's just like that. I mean, it's overall just a very cute, I would say. I keep on using the word cute because I feel like it's a very cutesy outfit. I would probably choose some other color if you want it to be more professional, because it's like white and black, but like it's so stark that once again, it looks a little bit more costumey than professional per se. Once again, that being said, I would still probably wear this to a conference. So anyways, it's totally up to you, your style, you know, and what it is that you do. If you would like to purchase this or check out the different colors that they have, check out the link below. If you want to see more product unboxings, continue watching. Make sure to subscribe so you get an alert for when my new videos come up, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, bye.